That's not gentle, Hex. Be gentle. Be gentle. It's your first time. Be gentle. They don't believe in you, Hex. They say you're coping. Show them who's the boss. Show them who daddy is. Yeah! That's what I'm fucking talking about. There you are. Ah, perfect. Everything is turning out exactly how I planned. Fuck. Shit. Nope, nope, nope. I will not take an L. Fuck! You gotta be kidding! It's simply testing you, chat. Fuck me. Fucking that too. Fuck. I can't believe it. No, 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 please! Fuck! Oh, no. I'm trying my best! Fuck. No, 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 no. I think with my head and not with my pee-pee. I could maybe... Oh, shit. This is so wrong. Everything about this is pain. Pain. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. No, fuck. Okay. Ah, fuck me. Oh, fuck. This is hard. I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're not cracked. We're okay, right? Oh my fuck. Ooh, a little risky there. Chief. There you go. I'm being a little sloppy. Oh, it's okay. Whenever he falls down, he's just, I don't get it.